What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how you can switch back to classic Facebook page. Now this is easy and it won't take you any time. All you have to do, guys, is follow these simple steps and you will be able to switch to Facebook classic page. Okay, now the first thing you need to do, you want to click on your profile in the top right and you want to click on see all profiles, select the page that you want to switch to classic Facebook page. And after you are on your page, what you need to do, guys, next you want to click on these three little dots. Okay, I'm going to be showing you guys two ways on how you can switch back to classic Facebook page. Now this is the first way, and you need to click on these three little dots and see if you can see here switch to classic. If you can see something that says here switch, click on it. But if you don't see here anything that says here switch to classic or anything like that, then follow these simple steps. You want to click again on your profile in the top right, click on help and support. Like a lot of people say that it's not going to work. I made a lot of videos about this, and a lot of people said in the comments after they sent a message to Facebook within like a few hours, then they are on the Facebook classic page. Now just click on report a problem, click on help us improve Facebook, click on include in report, and then click choose area, and then you need to choose pages. Okay, now this is very important. You need to choose pages, as you can see here where it says include as much information as possible. Just say here, hi Facebook, I would like to have Facebook classic page, not the new one. That's it. You just need to enter here, hi Facebook, I would like to switch back to classic page, or hi Facebook, I would like to have classic Facebook page, not the new one. Okay, so you don't need to type the same thing. You just need to come up with something like this and click on submit, and that's it. And then within a few hours they will get back to you, and then you will be able to enjoy the classic Facebook page. Okay, so drop a like on this video and let me know in the comments what you think about this idea that I have discovered, and see you guys in the next video. Please drop a like and see you.